my name is Catalina. I'm the labs manager at Discovery Place Science. Today we are in my kitchen getting ready to make a delicious brain booster smoothie. No, this is not going to give you an immediate brain boost, though it may give you a bit of a brain freeze if you drink it too quickly. But it is a great way to incorporate nutritious foods into our diet, which makes for a healthy life. Today, as we go through adding the ingredients, we'll talk about the different nutritional benefits that are provided by each. An important part of a healthy diet is making sure we eat a variety of fruits and veggies. They are a great source of vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that are essential in keeping our bodies healthy. That's because every part of our body depends on these nutrients in order to function properly. A great way to do this is to make sure that we add color to our meal and eat a rainbow of colors when it comes to fruits and veggies. Smoothies are an easy way to add that colorful variety into our meals, so let's get started. First, let's start with our liquid base. Adding some orange color to our smoothie. Orange juice is a great source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals, especially vitamin C. Though it's best to drink orange juice in moderation because of its sugar content. I've left the pulp in mine because that's where you find a good portion of the nutrients in oranges. Next, we add our powders. First comes ground flaxseed, which comes from the common flax plant, also known as the linseed plant. Flaxseed is a great source of fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, protein, vitamins and minerals like vitamin B1, magnesium, and phosphorus. Next up, wheat germ. This is the most nutrient-rich part of the wheat kernel, and it's actually the embryo of a wheat plant, which is kind of weird to think about, but it is the part of wheat that would eventually provide the nutrients for the kernel to grow into a new plant. So it makes sense why it would be so nutritious. This is another great source of fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamins and minerals, especially vitamin B1, vitamin E, and zinc. Now let's add some green to our smoothie. Spinach is full of fiber and a great source of vitamins and minerals, especially vitamin K, vitamin A, and iron. Next, let's put in some yogurt for added protein. Greek yogurt is made using a straining process, which takes out extra liquid and lactose sugars, giving us a thicker yogurt that is higher in protein and lower in sugars than regular yogurt. Greek yogurt is also chock full of vitamins and minerals, especially calcium and vitamin B12. Now it's time for some colorful fruits. Bananas, like most fruits and veggies, provide a well-rounded supply of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Banana is a particularly good source of vitamin B6, and while it's often known for its source of potassium, there are other foods like spinach and mushrooms that are better sources of potassium. Bananas are a great way to add some natural sweetness and thickness to help make our smoothie extra delicious. Next up, blueberries. Blueberries, again, are a great source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They also are packed with flavonoids, which are a group of antioxidants thought to have many health benefits. Last but not least, let's add some solid hydration, ice. You can also add some honey or agave nectar to add a touch of sweetness, but it's not really necessary. And now for my favorite part, let's blend it all together. And there you have it, our brain booster smoothie. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this yummy smoothie. Again, a great way to add some colorful variety into our daily diet. I encourage you to try it out at home or make a smoothie concoction of your own. Have a great day.